Competitive exams are not just a test of knowledge, it's a test of mindset, resilience, and focus. And that is why I created this unique series, that is Subject Plus Mindset. Because it's not enough to learn polity, history, economy, or any subject. You must also master memory, focus, confidence, and calmness. The inner tools that make all the difference in exam hall. Now tell me honestly, do you get lost in math while studying geography? Rivers flowing everywhere, mountains ranges crossing borders, soils, monsoon, latitudes, and your mind just drifts away. You sit with the atlas, but within a minute, focus is gone. What if I told you there is a way to read maps with the laser-like concentration? A way backed by neuroscience and rooted in ancient Indian wisdom. Today I will show you exactly how to focus sharply while studying geography. Let's simplify geography into 3 exam-friendly layers. First, physical features, mountains, rivers, soils and monsoons. And second, economic geography, that is agriculture, industries and resources. Third, Indian and world mapping, locations of national park, river, global regions. So instead of trying to memorize everything, focus on patterns. For example, most peninsular rivers flow eastward, except Narmada and Tapi, or monsoon always interact with Himalayas. Once you spot pattern, map become logical and not cluttered. Now here is what brain science says. Your prefrontal cortex controls attention, but it tires quickly. That's why after 15 minutes of staring at map, your focus drops. Solution? Pomodoro focus plus active recall maps. That is, study maps in 25 minutes of cycle. After each cycle, close your atlas. Redraw from memory. Sketch India's outline. Place 3 rivers or 3 mountains. This simple exercise activates the hippocampus and visual cortex, helping you focus deeply and recall better. In ancient Gurukuls, students practiced Tratak, a focused meditation where they gazed at a single flame or symbol. This sharpened their concentration and memory. You can also apply same technique to map. Take one map, say the rivers of India. Gaze at it calmly for 2 minutes, like a meditative exercise. Then close your eyes and recall its flow. This combines the Tratak technique with the modern focus science. And results? Maps don't overwhelm you. They stay crystal clear in your mind. Now imagine this. You are looking at India's outline. From north, the Ganga flows down with the power. In the west, Narmada cuts across the central plateau. In the east, Brahmaputra bends like a serpent in Assam. When you visualize rivers as living beings, suddenly the map is no longer flat. It's alive and your focus sticks naturally. Now here is your 5-day focus challenge. Day 1, Tratak with rivers of India just for 5 minutes. Day 2, draw India's outline plus place 3 major mountain ranges. Day 3, add soil map, just 3 soil types. Day 4, practice active recall with monsoon. Draw arrows. And day 5th, combine river plus mountain plus soil into one sketch. So by day 5, your focus will be sharper and map will finally make sense. If this video gave you clarity on geography, hit subscribe and share with a friend who struggles with maps. And if you want my complete subject plus mindset blueprint, connect me with one-to-one strategy session. Because any competitive exam are not about endless reading. It's about learning with focus, calmness and strategy. When focus meets geography, maps become your strongest weapon. Thank you.